It's official. The Premier Soccer League begins this weekend. I know last weekend was the MTN 8, Orlando Pirates beating Polokwane City 2-0, and Mamelodi Sundowns also doing their beat, winning 4-0 there at Richards Bay. So it looks like Pirates Sundowns are locked on the 16th for the semi-final first leg MTN 8. Hey, who's going to win that one? I think the person who's going to win the MTN 8 will win the league. That's my beat. Whoever's gonna win the M108 is gonna win the league. So yeah, guys, let's park the M108 for now. Let's park it for now. Let's talk about the league. The league is back, guys. This weekend, hey, it's bumper to bumper fixtures this weekend. I've seen sold out fixtures, in Stellenbosch. Hey, Stellenbosch FC. A sold out affair against Kaiser Chiefs there. I think that's one of the standouts. It's interesting that now fans are returning back to the stadia. It's good to see that soccer is returning back to where it belongs. So it's interesting that soccer is returning back to the people, and people are also giving back and appreciating it by buying the tickets. So yeah, I hope it can continue. This league requires fans to be at stadium to make it exciting. So yeah, it's going to be a very interesting one. So I don't know who's going to win the league this season. Who do you think is going to win the league this season, guys? I can already bet. I want to make predictions here. I think Pirates will win the league, but they'll do it by the smallest of margin. And it's going to happen on the last day. That's my prediction. You guys can also vote down below and you can tell us what you think, whether you think Pirates will win the league and how are they going to do it. Do you think Kaiser Chiefs will come there and be a surprise package with their new signings? There's Flavio there. You never know what's going to happen. I mean, there's Mamelodi Sundowns. They have depth for days. Without Ribeiro, they still scored 4 goals. I mean, they've been winning without him. So it's not surprising to see Mamelodi Sundowns winning by 4 margins without Ribeiro. So, Sundowns is a machine. It's a different machine, that one. But I feel like they will be edged on the last day by Pirates. Yeah, whether Kaiser Chiefs will come in, that's another debate. I'm not sure if Kaiser Chiefs are able to do that. They've made signings, good signings, if I can argue. I feel like Flavio will give us some goals if he takes his chances. If he doesn't, it's going to be bad for him. It's going to be bad if he doesn't score goals. But I feel like he's going to get goals. So Kaiser Chiefs can come there and be part of the pack. And that's the question. Can Kaiser Chiefs be part of the pack if they cannot challenge Mamelodi Sundowns? Can they at least be part of the pack? Because we know that Orlando Pirates are going to challenge. They're going to give Sundowns the run of their money. But I have a feeling that Orlando Pirates top scorers, it's going to be anyone between Toto Maswanganyi, Rele Mofokeng, and Osinapolis. Though between the three guys will be top scorer from Sundowns, because Sundowns don't really have their striker scoring more goals. Yeah, maybe Reyners from Sundowns can also participate in that and challenge the three guys I've mentioned. From Kaiser Chiefs, maybe Flavio. I don't know if he's gonna take those chances, eh? So I'm not sure about Flavio, but it's going to be a tight one in terms of top scorer. Player of the season. Who's gonna be player of the season? Can I say Sipombule? Master Chef. Guys, I predict that Master Chef will be player of the season or footballer of the season. If he doesn't win football of the season, Master Chef will win midfielder of the season. Yeah, he has to. He has to win midfielder of the season. I'm telling you, and that will propel him to Bafana if he does that. That's a good thing about it. Lucas Ribeiro is gone. Looks like he's gone to Qatar. So that spot, because if he was here, I was gonna say it's gonna be Lucas Ribeiro, but no, he's not here. And Mamelodi Sundowns strikers don't score more goals. I know Reyners does also score. He's one of my contenders for this season. But hey, Pirates have other things in terms of top goal scorers. It looks like they don't want to play with an outright striker. I understand why they will bring in Radio Pane there, but probably tactics will change as per games, But it looks like anyone from Orlando Pirates can win the top goal scorers accolade if they take their chances, especially between Rele Mofokeng Tito Mosanganye and Osun Apolis, because the way they play now, it looks like they don't want to take shots from range. They just want to do tap ins, and it looks like it allows their type of a game, the one that they're playing right now, this passing game, this sort of direct but passing game. It's interesting to watch how Pirates has been put together there by Abdeslam Wadu. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. Yeah, I can also vote the coach of the season. I think whoever's going to win the league would be the coach of the season, of course. Okay, yeah. So that's my take, guys. I don't know what to think about the new season. Are you excited? Are you looking forward? Which team do you support, and which team do you think is going to win the league? Who's going to be your top goal scorer? Who's going to be your midfielder of the season? It's crazy. It's going to be a crazy season. That's why I feel like Paris is going to win it. So yeah, you can voice your comments down below. And thanks for watching. I really appreciate you. Legere mina. Salute, salute. Mengatitimeli. Mengatitimeli.